All right, what's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to talk about how to make money online when you have kids. Now, one of the questions that I get all the time, and not really a question, but more of a response, is I can't make money. I have 2 kids. I work a 9-to-5 job. There's always some excuse out there, okay? Right now, I'm feeding my son. He's 5 months old. So if you hear some noise, it's probably going to be him. Anyway, so what I want to explain is that when I first started my very first online business back in 2006, I didn't have any kids. My wife and I, at that time, I think we were married. Yeah, we were married. Didn't have any kids, but it was still hard, okay? Just because you have kids should not be an excuse. Okay, one of the things I always tell people that do have kids is you have to figure out what works best for you, okay? Because not every business out there, not every online business is gonna work for you and your family. For example, back in 2017, back in 2017, my wife and I, at the time we had 2 kids. One was 4 and one was 9. And back in 2017, my main business was not affiliate marketing, wasn't coaching. It was actually selling stuff on Amazon FBA. And it was mainly through doing retail arbitrage and wholesale at that time. And the reason I'm telling you this is because that worked for my business and my family. Is my 2 kids loved going to stores, finding products that we could resell and make a little bit of money off of. And at the same time, they could play with the toys in the aisle at a Walmart or a Target or Fred Meyer or any of these stores. So it worked out very well. Now, my 5-month-old doesn't let me go to stores as often as my 9-year-old would. So because of that, I've turned more to doing selling courses, doing some coaching, doing some affiliate marketing, but more along the lines of earning residual income. For example, promoting products that are used monthly and rebuild monthly, like email software, page builders, website stuff, website hosting, things like that. Okay, so my advice to you, if you are new to making money online, you're new to online business, is to figure out, what's the best active income that you can create for yourself and what's a good passive income. Okay, if you can do this and you can do it successfully, there's money to be made, at the end of this road. And I think what so many people struggle with is that they are thinking that there's only one option for them, and there's not. Let me give you an example. Currently, my active incomes or my active businesses are eBay, and the second one is creating YouTube videos. Now, I say creating YouTube videos because the back end stuff, once I get the traffic and I convert that traffic into maybe an email opt-in or a follower on another channel, another platform, what happens is then it becomes pretty passive, because now I just send them an email, and you guys may have received some of my emails before. And from there, I talk about different courses, different services, different products I recommend, and just things like that. So that's my passive income. But again, that's just part of it. I try to mix both passive and active income together, because if you can do this, okay, I guarantee you there's more income to be made. There's more money to be made if you can do both of these. One more. Here you go. So like right now, okay, I don't know if you can see my computer behind me, but right now, I just sent a video off to my editor. He's gonna edit the video and send it back. So I'll probably get that in the next hour or so, and that will be the video that I upload today. So that would probably be the day before this video, and then I'll get that back, and I'll publish it. Okay, simple enough. And my son will allow me to do that. We'll sit here, he'll play, maybe play around on the floor inside my office, and I'll get some work done. With active income, so for example, eBay, one of the things I really like to do is I like to go to thrift stores. And I go to these thrift stores and I buy inventory to resell on eBay. For example, I'll buy like a shirt for $4 or $5, and I'll sell it on eBay for 20 to 25 and easily make a decent profit. And I like doing that. However, my five-month-old son, I'm not going to take him into a dirty, dusty, kind of moldy Goodwill store when I don't want him around that type of, environment, that type of, inventory, that product, stuff like that. So because of that, I wait, and when I have, my wife, one of my parents watch him, then I go to these different stores. But as far as going to like a Walmart or a Target, I put him in his car seat and we go to Walmart or Target. It's actually pretty simple. So for all you guys out there thinking that you can't make money online because you have kids, I can tell you right now, I have a 5-month-old and he still allows me to go out there and make some money. Okay? And it's not because I started this before he was born. It's because I've figured out ways to modify and adjust my business so that it actually works in my favor. Because I can tell you right now, if all I had was an eBay business and the only way I was finding inventory was going to thrift stores, he wouldn't really allow me to do that. And so I'd adjust and I'd go into wholesale, private label. I'd buy items in bulk. I'd do stuff on the weekends when maybe someone was there to watch him every single hour of the day. Just different things like that. Okay? So I just want you to keep that in mind, because I think so many people are making an excuse that, hey, I have kids and I can't make money online. I work a 9-to-5 job, but if you work a 9-to-5 job, that still leaves many hours throughout the day or at night and early in the morning where you could implement some strategies that you learn online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, you're doing stuff on YouTube, social media marketing, selling stuff, doing resale, whether it's on Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, maybe even selling locally through Facebook and Craigslist. There's options out there for you guys. So if you think there isn't, just because you have kids, I'm telling you right now, you're just making an excuse. Okay? Like I said, I'm feeding my son his, if he'd actually look over this way, there you go. Don't look at the camera. And he loves the camera, because I've created videos with him, not for this channel I don't think, but created a bunch of videos with him. He absolutely loves the camera and loves to hold it. But I've allowed myself, and I've given myself the option to adjust my business in any way that I can, so I can spend as much time as humanly possible with my kids. Like I said, I have 3 kids. One's 5 months old. Good job. One's 7, and the other one's 11. Okay? So just think about that. I have 3 kids, 5 months, 7, and 11, and I'm able to have a full-time business online simply by, making changes, adjusting, and figuring out what works best for me, my family, and my business. So I know this video is more of just like a rant. There wasn't a whole lot of actionable steps. But the one thing I can tell you right now with absolute certainty is that if you have kids, no matter what their age is, okay, figure out what it is that they will allow you to do, and maybe what it is that they can help you with. Because I can tell you right now, my 11-year-old, he absolutely loves going into a thrift store. You'll find those diamonds in the rough, those shoes that you can buy for $5 to $10 that you can turn around and sell for $60 to $70. He absolutely loves it. And so that's one of the things I always tell people is if you have older kids, somewhere 10 or older, my son helped me when he was like 7 and 8. And so, I know, younger kids can do it as well. My 7-year-old doesn't like to do thrift store stuff, but my 11-year-old absolutely loves it. So, one of the things I had him do is I actually had him go through my Thrift Store Profits course and watch all the videos and see what products that I know you can find at thrift stores easily. Inside I list 67 or more profitable products you can find. And so he went and watched that. We went down to a local Goodwill, and he pulled out a leg brace. And very nice leg brace. Picked it up for $6 and turned around and sold, I think 2 days later, for about $80. So I know for a fact, just because you have kids, it's not an excuse that you can't make money. It's actually a reason you should be making more money. So if you guys have any questions, can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But let me know, how many kids you actually have? Okay, you're obviously watching this video because you have kids. Wondering, how can I make money with a kid? With multiple kids, with triplets? I don't have triplets, so I won't be able to answer that. But I do have 3 kids. So I do kind of understand the process. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.